Going to take a very important and little bit tricky question of exercise 8.3 trigonometry. Question number 4, part number I think 5th. This is a very important question for examination point of view. So what you have to do, you have to take LHS, but you have to see RHS. You can see in RHS you require cosec A plus cot A, but here we have cos A minus sin A plus 1. Now what to do to get cosec A plus cot A? What we will do, we will divide both numerator and denominator by sin A. Then what will happen? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by sin A upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 divided by sin A. What you will get? Cos A upon sin A, you will get cot A, minus sin A upon sin A, it will cut and will become minus 1, plus 1 upon sin A will become cosec A. Similarly, cos A upon sin A cot A plus 1 minus cosec A, and sin will cut. Now arrange these terms: cot A plus cosec A minus 1, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Here we know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, or we can say 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. This is the identity you have to apply here to cancel this 1. Now apply the identity: cot A plus cosec A minus, in place of 1 you have to apply this identity: cosec square A minus cot square A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now this is A square minus B square will become A minus B and A plus B. Right? Cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A, then cosec A minus cot A, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Here you can see this cot A plus cosec A and cosec A plus cot A both are same thing. We can take it common: cot A plus cosec A. When you have taken this common, what will left here? 1. And this will also become 1. Multiply 1 with cosec A minus cot A will remain cosec A minus cot A. Now what will happen? Minus cosec A and minus into minus will become plus, that will become cot A. Now look at the denominator: cot A minus cosec A plus 1. You can cut it. You are left with cot A plus cosec A is equal to RHS. Hence, proved and verified. That's it.